So today we're going to talk about how to use HubSpot's new navigation menu. And so let's go ahead and hop right into it. This is still the old navigation menu, but for those of you who don't know, over the past couple months, HubSpot has been slowly moving users over to its new menu. And as of May 2024, if you could see here, then everyone should have access to that new refresh navigation. So we wanted to just put together a quick little video so that you don't get lost when it's time to move over. So let's go ahead and shift over to that new nav and see what it looks like. And as you can see, it's completely different. Instead of having a nav up here, the nav items are now over here on the left-hand side, and they're just named differently as well. And we'll get to those in just a minute. But first, what's nice is that you still have some of those main items over here. You have the account drop down, your notifications, you have your settings, you have your little help or support, so you can go in and ask questions. If you are pro or enterprise, if you have a question here already, for example, you'll be able to see the contact us at the bottom, so you can contact support. You also have the app marketplace, and you can make phone calls. But let's shift over to the left-hand side, this new navigation that we have here, completely different. The very first item I want to look at is the workspaces. And if you hover, click in the workspaces, this is just generally where you organize your specific daily tasks. So if you're sales, for example, you'll have prospecting. If you are service pro or enterprise, you'll have the help desk when you can respond to those help tickets. So that's the workspaces. Your bread and butter will be in the CRM. And that's where you'll have the contacts, companies, deals, tickets. You'll see your list, inbox, call, and tasks. So you'll probably most likely be in the CRM a lot. And marketing, that's where you're going to find all your different marketing content tools. So you have your campaigns, your email, social ads, forms, CTAs, SMS. And then we're going to go down to content, which is a little different. And that's that web hosted content. So your website pages, landing pages, blogs, the knowledge base, your portal, SEO, and your design manager, that's all going to be in the content section. We also have commerce, where you're going to be dealing with all the different tools related to e-commerce. So in regards to the payments, invoices, quotes, products, subscriptions, everything related to commerce will be here. Automations, where you're still going to see the workflows and sequences, but you're going to get those chat flows as well, and surveys if you have access to the Service Hub. We have a reporting and data where you're going to get all your dashboards, your reports, those goals, those forecasts, and also some integrations and other items to deal with data. And then finally, we have like the library, which is kind of interesting. This is kind of your library of your templates that you have, your email templates, your files, documents, playbooks, snippets, coaching playlist. And if you want to set up your meetings, you can set up the meetings here in the meeting scheduler. So it's in a completely different location. We also have the template marketplace. If you downloaded a template, you could still use the template icon over here though as well. And this is just for people who are partners like us. If you're a partner, you'll have access to the partner tools. But this is what we wanted to show you, this brand new nav on the left-hand side, completely different. So next time you go in, if you upgrade, you'll be able to see some of these new items and hopefully how to use them.